In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time tracking on Monday.com. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add the time tracking column to your board, log your hours accurately, and edit anything you need to fix. Let's start with getting the time tracking feature onto your board. With your Monday.com board open, look to the top right corner. You'll see a small plus icon there. Go ahead and click that. This is where you can add different types of columns to your board. After you click the plus icon, a menu will open. From this menu, select More Columns. This takes you to Monday.com's full column center, where all the different column types live. In the search bar that appears, type in Time Tracking. Once you see the time tracking option show up, click Add to Board. You should now see a new time tracking column added alongside your existing columns, ready for you to start using. Now let's talk about how to actually log your time. You have two main options, using the live timer or entering time manually. For the live timer, find the row or item you want to track time for, then look at the cell in the time tracking column. You'll see a small play button inside that cell. Click the play button to start tracking. You can now work on your task while Monday.com keeps track of how long you spend. When you're done or need a break, click the same button again, which now shows as pause, to stop the timer. This creates a time session automatically, with the start and end times recorded for you. The total tracked time will appear as digits in that cell. If you forgot to start the timer or you're logging hours after the fact, you can use manual entry. Click inside the same time tracking cell and then choose Add Session Manually. A small window will pop up where you can enter your start and end times. This is especially helpful if you're logging time at the end of the day or tracking work done offline. Once you confirm, that session is added to the item's history and the total updates accordingly. If you ever need to adjust something, editing entries is straightforward. Click the digits in the time tracking cell to open the full history log for that item. You'll see a list of all recorded sessions. Click on any individual time entry you want to change. From there, you can edit the start and end times, or make corrections if you accidentally left a timer running too long. When you save your changes, the total time updates automatically. And that's all you need to start using time tracking on Monday.com.